Yeah, how's it going, bros? My name is Aaron. Welcome back to another video. So, I finally got my hands on a pair of XM3 earbuds. And this is what's gonna happen, okay? I'm not gonna go into my first impressions about its sound quality, its features, yada yada, because I've already talked about these things in this video. So if you want to know more about the XM3's features, watch that video. Otherwise, today we are gonna jump straight into the testing phase. I'm gonna test its audio to video latency, I'm gonna test its microphone quality for voice calls, and its noise cancelling as well. And now that I've got the XM3 earbuds, you can expect more videos about the XM3s coming up very soon. So to stay tuned, be sure to subscribe and ring the notifications bell. Okay, I cannot wait to crack into this box, which is what I'm gonna do right now. Earbuds, case, USB-C to USB Type-A cable, extra ear tips, foam tips and silicone tips included, some literature. So I'm gonna pair this to my phone right now. Yep, everything works. Sound is just like what I heard in the store, controls and all that. Everything works fine, so let's jump into the audio to video latency test. Okay guys, you know the drill. We're gonna test the earbuds audio to video latency by playing a game on an iOS device like the iPad and an Android device. Now, why not use a video? Well, video apps tend to auto-correct the latency so that it becomes less noticeable, which is not what we want. We want the most accurate latency test possible, which you can only get from playing a game. To give you an idea of what no latency sounds like, I'm going to play the audio straight from the iPad. This is what zero latency sounds like on this game. So when the chicken lands, you should hear a sound. And when it gets hit by a car, okay, one more time. So this is what zero latency sounds like. Remember it. Now, the earbuds. Well, not bad really. There's still a bit of lag, but it's a lot better than I expected. Okay bros, same thing, this time with an Android device. This is the LG V40 ThinQ, okay? This is interesting. It appears that there's more lag. Yeah, there's a bit more lag on this device despite the fact that it's running on the same AAC codec. One possible reason for this is that since AAC is a codec developed by Apple, naturally it will work better on Apple devices, giving you lower latency performance compared to on an Android device. Right now, we're gonna head outside for our microphone and noise cancelling test. Hey bros, I'm now at Orchard Road in the very heart of Singapore. And I think this is a great place for microphone quality and noise cancelling test because behind us we have motorized traffic, and all around us we have people. So it's a pretty noisy place even at night. So for our microphone test, what I want to do is I'm going to just record a clip on my voice memo right now. Very simple. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Okay. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Playing back the recording to myself, yes, there's a lot of noise reduction, so I barely hear any background noise at all. But at the same time, my voice sounds like it's underwater, and that is because the noise reduction is kinda heavy even in the vocal range. But its microphone quality is overall pretty okay. However, we don't know yet how much noise this will cancel in this situation. So I'm gonna do the noise cancelling test right now, okay?
Noise cancelling.
So I truly feel that its noise cancelling performance is pretty good. It can cancel quite a bit of noise. Yes, it may not be in the same league as Sony's full-sized noise cancelling headphones, the WH-1000XM3, but it's still pretty impressive. Easily the best in-ear noise cancelling earbuds I've tried. And if you're listening to music at the same time, I guarantee you that you can barely hear whatever is going on around you, which is pretty impressive for a pair of earbuds this small. Something you can just keep in your pocket or in your bag and take it out anytime you want some noise cancelling. And for you bros, I've also managed to grab some noise cancelling samples of if you are in a train and if you are walking amongst heavy human traffic. So these are the samples. Enjoy.
Noise cancelling. Noise cancelling.
So far, I'm liking these earbuds. I feel that its sound quality is great. It's got pretty good noise cancelling. Its microphone quality, yeah, it may not be that great, but it's decent enough. And its battery life, and its features, USB-C fast charging. So yeah, I'm having a good time with these earbuds. So I'm really looking forward to coming back to you with more videos about the XM3 earbuds. Of course, if you guys have any questions about the XM3 earbuds, tell me in the comments section below. So thank you for watching. My name is Aaron. You're watching Aaron Wireless. And if you like this video, if you found this video useful, helpful, life-changing, please, can't really do it here, punch that like button with a vengeance and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and remember to ring the bell to join my notification squad, because I upload videos multiple times a week, and this is the only way that YouTube will notify you. So subscribe, ring the bell, and I'll see you again in the next video. Okay, it's getting pretty long now. Probably go.